It's Turkey Day. You guys remember this? Mr. Bondurant digs us a turkey pit.
Professional turkey pit digger.
He doesn't understand he was nominated for this position. I said, I have to hold the camera. Yeah, so, I mean, it's hard work, but somebody's got to do it. You know what I mean? Turkey time. Stuffing them full of butter. This should be a good pit. Yeah. It's a turkey?
Bird is word.
Bird time. Oh, pass the bird.
All right.
Pass
of
the
baby.
bird. Yeah. I think we're going to be good. I think we're going to be good this year.
I think so.
It's time to ride. Let's do it. First ride with the Beta. Paddle tire, sand dunes. Let's see how it goes. Was good.
Oh man,
that was fun.
Awesome.
So the Beta 500, is it any good? I was worried. I thought not going to be as fast as the 450. It's not going to have the throttle response as the 450. Not going to be as powerful as the 450 because of tuning and mapping. Like motocross bikes are just mapped that way. Wrong. Amazingly fast. Huge amounts of power. It's every bit as fast and as powerful, if not more, than that KX450 was. I'm shocked. Didn't expect it at all. But there is just so much power on tap. It's mind-blowing. And it's so happy to rev up high, be way high in the RPM range. It's like, it's amazing. The motor's absolutely, I'm blown away. I'm shocked in like the best way possible. The suspension now, coming off of Kennedy Meadows, where I was complaining because it's rocky and deflecting and all that. Plush, fuel-injected couch, sucking up everything. All the stuff that would just crunch my back on the 450 because there was no suspension on that bike. This Beta just sucks it up. Absolutely blown away. And then having that 6-speed gearbox, having that, coming back from, again, the motocross bike, being able to be in all those different gears and it just tractors and the clutch just is perfect and never even once close to stalling or anything like that, but it is a ripper. That thing screams, comfortable. It's amazing. Could not be happier with the bike. So that's it. There's my review of the Beta 500 in sand. Perfect bike. Crazy fast. Keep in mind it's been mapped, it's remapped, and there's exhaust, there's no spark arrestor in it, so it's just freaking ripping. We've got the header on it. I got people coming in, so I'm going to sign off now, but we'll catch you guys in a little bit. It's super windy outside, which is why I'm sitting inside. It's like 26 mile an hour wind today, but the bird's in the dirt, and it's cooking, and let's hope that it cooks today. I think we're going to leave it in as long as possible, maybe 6 o'clock, so it'll be like a 7-8 hour cook. All right, guys. Check back with you in a bit. Bye. Turkey time. It's gonna happen. It's cooked and you know it. Might be able to pluck them out of there. There's a lot of foil on it.
That baby's done.
That baby's done?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, buddy. It looks good.
Yeah, buddy.
Perfect.
It looks good. I'm not a turkey carver, by the way.
Lift
So
up the thing. Is it?
his wing?
Yeah. Is it loose? Yeah.
Oh,
We're good.
oh my!
Yeah.
Wow!
Ooh!
Wow!
Nice.
Perfect.
Fall off
Wow.
the bone.
It's perfect.
Ooh,
Oh my
y'all.
goodness!